Did you see that great picture that Judy gave me? She gets better looking all the time.
Yeah, right.
You know, she's doing very well for herself now that she's become a model.
And how did she happen to show up?
Didn't I tell you? I bumped into her yesterday while I was uptown.
No, you didn't.
That doesn't matter anyways.
Well, I guess not.
I just thought I'd ask her to the party. Is that such a big deal?
Well, I think maybe you could have warned me.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
Oh, you forgot, all right.
What's your problem?
I don't have a problem. Does it look like I have a problem?
Look it, Judy and I went together a long time ago. I have no feelings for her now.
Well, I saw the way you were looking at her.
Where are you going?
I've got guests to take care of.
I'm not through with this discussion.
So, Judy, Tom tells me you're into modeling. How exciting.
Here you go, Judy. Jan, can I talk to you?
Well, I was just going to have a little chat here with Judy.
No, I'd like to talk to you in the kitchen.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Well, Judy, I guess we'll just have to have our little chat later. don't know how you could just forget to tell me that she was coming, that's all.
Look, I'm sorry. It just slipped my mind.
Yeah, I'm sure. It just slipped your mind.
You know that I'm under a lot of pressure at work.
Well, you never forgot. You just didn't want me to know.
Stop it. I'm getting a headache.
Every time we start an argument, you get one of your lame headaches. Can't we just once finish a fight without you weaseling out of it?
Look, stop it. My head. This is nothing to argue over anyway. She's a friend. Just a friend.
Yeah, right. I saw the way you were looking at her.
No way was I looking at her.
Oh, you know the way you were looking at her.
No, I don't. Maybe you should explain it to me.
Well, from the minute she walked in, you didn't take your eyes off her.
Don't be absurd.
Oh, come on.
Be real. Everyone was looking at her. She's a beautiful lady.
And you probably wish you're still with her. Go on, admit it.
Stop it. My head feels like it's gonna explode.
There you go, those headaches again.
Just lay off. We're supposed to be having a party here. We have guests to think of.
You mean Judy to think of.
Stop it. Just stop it.
Why don't you just
head.
come on to
My
her?
head.
Go on, come on to her.
It's going too far now. Just stop it. I want you to stop it.
Hey, Tom! Where's the old ball and chain?
Hey, you guys aren't fighting again, are you?
No, she's not feeling very well. She's just laying down. Ribs, anyone?
Don't just stand there. Bring 'em on down. I'm starving.